Hi friends, welcome to Navara Kitchen. Today I am preparing chocolate bread pudding. This pudding is very delicious and will be loved by your kids. We are not adding any agar agar or gelatin. Neither we are baking or steaming it. This can be prepared very easily. This can be served as a dessert for small parties or gatherings. Let's start preparing this yummy pudding. First take one bread. You can take any wheat bread or also white bread. Remove the brown crust of the bread, that is the edges, and chop it into pieces. Transfer the chopped bread into the blender and blend to fine crumbles. Now take 2 tablespoons custard powder in a bowl, add little milk and make it into paste. Also take 1.5 tablespoons cacao powder in a bowl, add little milk and dissolve it. Now take about 1 cup of milk in a vessel, that is approximately 250 ml. Add about 1/4 cup of sugar and slowly bring to boil. Keep mixing until the sugar dissolves. When milk starts boiling, add the cacao paste and give a mix. Next add the prepared custard powdered paste and keep mixing. After adding custard powdered paste, the mixture starts thickening. Next add the crumbled bread powder and give a mix. Next add 1/4 teaspoon coffee powder. This coffee powder is added just to get some coffee flavor in the pudding. Switch off the flame, add chopped nuts of your choice and give a mix. Now take a bowl and grease it with some butter or oil. Transfer the prepared pudding paste into the bowl. Cover it with a wrap and keep it in fridge for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 hours, remove from the fridge and scrape the edges using a knife. Invert the bowl and transfer the pudding onto a plate. Finally add melted chocolate or any chocolate glaze on the top of the pudding. After adding melted chocolate, refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes. Yummy chocolate bread pudding is ready. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.